Modular Melodies is the latest sound pack to land in GarageBand for iOS's sound library. After a brilliant run of producer pack releases over the last year, we've finally got a new sound pack. But was it worth the wait? In the Modular Melodies sound pack, you will find 250 Apple loops. To grab this new pack, make your way to the sound library in GarageBand, tap on the Modular Melodies sound pack, and then either get a taste of what it's all about by previewing it, or hit get to add it to your sound library. Modular Melodies is all about evolving arpeggios, complex textures, and hypnotizing sequences. All of these loops and sampled sounds were captured from hardware modular synthesizers, and Apple are keen to point out that the sounds and instruments from this Modular Melodies pack pair really well with the contents of GarageBand's previously released Modular Rhythms pack. The loops here sound really good if you're into that sort of thing, and have a good mix of straight up modular synth samples. Glitchy percussion sounds, and cool arpeggiated sounds. These loops sound really great on their own, but as I mentioned earlier, also pair really well with some of the modular drum machine sounds found in the Modular Rhythms sound pack. And that's it, surprisingly. Logic Pro for iPad also got this sound pack as part of its recent update, but the Logic Pro version also includes 22 new Alchemy patches.
For some reason, GarageBand just hasn't received those synth patches, which is a bit strange considering it also has the Alchemy synth built into it. New sounds and sound packs are always welcome in GarageBand, but this one is maybe a little bit of a damp squib, all things considered. So that's the Modular Melodies sound pack. It's rolling out today and has probably already landed in your sound library as you're watching this video. Let me know your thoughts on this latest sound pack down in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, give that like button a good hard slap while you're down there. I really appreciate it and it helps more people see this video. And if you've still got time, check out this link to another video that I think you'll find really interesting.